In this Cosmo AI review, I'm going to be showing you an app that uses Google's latest AI tech Gemini in order to turn text, ideas, PPT, blogs, tweets, URLs, etc. into 4K videos in less than 2 minutes. And make sure you stay into the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Cosmo AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says world's first app fully powered by Google's latest AI tech Gemini turns your text, ideas, PPT, blogs, tweets, and URLs into stunning. Then it says PPT to video, 4K videos, it keeps on going, tweet to video, all these different things in less than 2 minutes. And it says it lets you start your very own all-in-one AI platform here. So I like, right off the bat here, I like that there's no crazy income claims starting this off. It's a tool that you can use in your business. That's great. It's a breath of fresh air. Hopefully it will stay like that. Step 1, it says give it a command. Step 2, generate. Oh, here it comes. Step 3, profit. Your profit, whatever money you make from this, is going to depend upon what you're doing. You don't magically use a software and make money. It's just a tool in your business. Always remember that, please. You can convert text to AI videos, turn ideas into videos, transform your text into lifelike speech, generate ultra-realistic AI avatar videos, voice cloning, turn blogs into stunning AI videos, all these extra things, tons and tons of different things that this will do for you. But they've got some, again, income claim screenshots that I don't think have anything to do with this. Just be aware. Again, it's a tool, not a push button money making machine. It doesn't exist. Anyways, let's go down here to the bottom of this. If you purchase, you'll get access to all these different things here. Plus, it looks like they have some kind of an upgrade. We can add 4K HD AI video templates into it for $10. Just make sure, though, that you move your mouse away. You can get a discount on this. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, let's go take a look at a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you the OTOs and discounts.
Fruits have many benefits, including nutrients. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Dietary fiber. Fruits are a good source of fiber, which can help.
The United States is an incredibly diverse and captivating country that offers a wide range of tourist destinations. Our first stop is
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today for this business presentation. Today, we are going to discuss our company's performance, future plans, and growth opportunity. Our sales have increased by 20% compared to the previous year. Strategies to build.
「
inspired and stay accountable with Versa 4 Plus Premium. Learn when to work out or recant. Built for better fitness results. Daily readiness score, Pensive.
Why ashram food isn't all vegan. Food makes your thoughts. What type of food you eat. Vishwaji beautifully explains what happens.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the first upgrade that you're going to see. This will give you the pro features, so you get all these extra different features, different niches, get more engaging AI voiceovers and voice cloning. It has create AI videos and even more niches, et cetera, with this one. So one thing I do want to make sure you do though is make sure you move your mouse away on that one, as you can get a discount on all these upgrades by moving your mouse away. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is you can unlock unlimited account features with this and the reseller license included. So you remove all the limits on your account and you get unlimited for all this and the commercial license. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one here is they'll set it up for you. They say ready to print $500 to $1,000 a day. Like they'll set it up for you. There's no guarantee that you're going to make any money. It's just a tool. Move your mouse away and get a $50 discount. The next one here is it's got an AI robot for automated traffic. So move your mouse away and get a discount. The next one is they've got some kind of a plug and play system. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Then they've got another one for traffic. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. 5-in-1 marketing tools. Move your mouse away and get a discount. The agency upgrade, so you can actually create limitless accounts and sell them. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. And the last one is resell rights. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Cosmo AI and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it has a lot of different tools in it. Normally when you have a software that has so many different things, it's not going to be the best at it. If you want to pay monthly or yearly for something else out there that does one thing specifically, it might do this better, but you're going to pay more for that. What do I like about it? That all being said, this is a very low price product. If anything inside of this makes your life any easier or saves you any time or any money, it could be worth the price of admission. If this is something that you'd like to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Cosmo AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.